Let's make broccoli and cheese tots. Boil the broccoli for 3 minutes and then add to the food processor. Then you're going to add your cheddar cheese, panko breadcrumbs, onion powder, and garlic powder, and optional salt. You're also going to need 1 egg. Then blend to your desired consistency. I like it to be a little bit coarse without being too smooth or too coarse. Using your hands, roll into a tot shape and then place on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. Bake at 190 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes, flipping halfway through.